welcome back muli sa ating live. Ay, dadako na sa ating second half. Thank you kuya. Basta dito lang pag nandito na ano. Hindi ko lang ito spot dito.
Dito galing.
Luwagi naman. Yan, lamang naman kayo eh. Kayo talaga oh. Boss, shoutout mo na pare. Pare, shoutout mo na tayo. Let's go, back to the ball game.
Dito.
Hindi, gilid lang dito. Dito lang. Thank you, prep. Oh, steal by Kenneth. Steal by Caleb. Pero naka-recover si John Jola. Pass to Kenneth. Jump shot, no good. Rebound by RJ. Here comes Flores. No. Steal by Tobis. Oh, what a pass! What a nice shot by L8 Atienza. Ayan na. Oh, steal. LA na naman. Laki na to. By Mr. MVP LA Atienza. 55-32 ang ating talaan. Robin, pass to Rosales. Rosales, no, rebound. And out of bounds. Bola rito ng mga nakay-team. Jola, pass to Tobis from the elbow three. No, rebound by Rosales. Here comes Quaresma. Robin. Quaresma setting on the screen. Quaresma pupunta sa kaliwa. Quaresma with a strong drive. No. Rebound. Makakuha ni Jola. Ayan na naman si LA. What a nice behind the back. Pass to Jola. Grabe na yun. Yan ang isa sa mga na-miss natin dito sa Barangay Santa Lucia. Wala pa rin kupas si LA Atienza. Oh, at dito nakabawi si RJ Flores. 35-57 ang ating talaan. Jola with the ball. Jola, pass to Kenneth. Pass to Jola. Jola with the fake. Binigay sa gitna. Jola. Binigay kay Jo sa loob. Miss by LA. Caleb nagmamadali and gets the foul by John Jola. That is first person na foul. Flores, pass to Atan. Atan, binigay sa corner. Robin. Hesi, umatake, drop pass. Makakuha ni LA. LA, 2 against 2. Oy, wala. Rebound by Rosales. Good defense para kay Benedict. Benedict nagmamadali. Up and under. What a extra pass by Robin. Quaresma, 37-57. Baba sa bende ang lamang ng Black Ducks. Number 69, bad pass by Benedict. Ayan na, Robin Quaresma all the way. Basket is good. Ayan na, steal. Quaresma. Out of bounds. Tobis, may tanga ng bola. Here comes Tobis. Pass to number 29 to Jola. Jola, pinasa kay LA. Back to Jola. Pass to Tobis for 3. Another 3-point para kay Tobis. 60-39. In favor pa rin sa mga laki team. Atan. May tahan ng bola. Atan with the Hesi. Atan with the sidestep. Pinigay. No. Rebound. Makakuha ni Benedict. Rosales. Tumira using the board. Humihingi pa ng foul dito si Benedict. Basket yan para kay Benedict Rosales. Here comes LA. LA pass to Joe. Yanga and one. Basket count and one para kay Joe. Uy. By Jola. Sorry, that's Joe Yanga. Boss J. Here comes Joe. Wala. Rebound ng mga green. Here comes pass to Quaresma from the corner at naka 3-point dito si Robin Quaresma. 44-62. Baba sa 18 ang lamang ng Black Ducks. Number 69. Pass to LA. Stop and pop. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha dito ng mga naka-green. Here comes RJ. Basket para kay RJ Flores. At unti-unti nang bumababa ang kalamangan ng mga naka-team. 46-62. Baba sa 16 ang kalamangan. Time out dito ang mga naka-team. Shoutout tayo kay Dek Alfonso. Ayan, happy viewing. Idol Dek Alfonso. Happy fiesta sa ating mga kabarangay. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Kaya hindi ko pa naayos yung oras ha. Time remaining 5 minutes and 9 seconds. Number 69, pass to PR. PR, jump shot. Basket para kay PR. Ayan na, Flores, binigay sa loob. Pass to Benedict. Benedict, he get the contact. Walang tawag ang ating referee. Ayan na, steal by RJ. Flores with the floater. Basket para kay RJ Flores. Baba na lamang sa 14. Ano ba? Sorry. 16. Ayan na. Short. Rebound by Flores. Here comes Atan. Atan umatake. Pass to Robin. Robin with the Hesi. Naiwanan si Elvey pero naka-recover. Robin gets the contact and gets a foul. Foul number 18, LA Atienza. Time remaining 4 minutes and 13 seconds. We miss you too, Dek. Basket para kay Robin Quaresma. Second shot para kay Robin Quaresma. Second shot, wala. Rebound, makukuha ng mga naki-team. Outlet pass to LA. LA nagmamadali. LA with the pass and gets the foul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 7 seconds. Tobis, yung guys sa corner. Pass to Cardenas. To PR, floater, basket is good. para kay PR Lozano. 49-66 ang ating talaan. Here comes Ethan. Atan. Pass to Robin. Top of the key. 4-3. Wala. Rebound. And gets the foul. Foul number 17. That's a PR Lozano. Ayun na, bola rito ng Hill City. Atan from the elbow 3. Wala. Rebound by Cardenas. Outlet pass. Uy. Bola rito ng Hill City. Here comes Atan. Pass to Rosales. Rosales using the board. No. Rebound. Cardenas. Uy. Bad pass. No look pass. Pero nakuha ng Hill City. Robin. Sidestep. No. Rebound by Quaresma. Quaresma to Rosales. Rosales sa loob. Wala. Rebound by Kenneth. Here comes Kenneth. 3 against 2. Back to Kenneth. Cardenas and gets the foul. Time remaining 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Shooting at the line, jersey number 12. That is Paul Cardenas. Shooting for 2. Basket. Second shot is good. 2 for 2 para kay Paul Cardenas. 68-48. 68-48 po ha. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Lamang pa rin po ang mga nakiteam. Robin 4-3. No. Rebound. Makuha ni Robin. Uy. Last touch. Bola pa rin ng Hill City. Pass to Calub and gets the contact. May kasama pang foul. 2 shots para kay Calub. Remaining time 4 minutes and 51 seconds. First shot is good. Second shot. Basket. 2 for 2 by Calub. $50-68 ang ating talaan. Here comes number 69. Number 69, pass to Jola. Binigay kay PR. Back to Jola. Jola, bounce pass, steal. Here comes number 9. Oh, here comes Rombines. 3 against 1. Number 9, basket. Ayan na, umahabol na po ang Hill City. 52-68. Number 69, pass to LA, pass to PR, back to number 69, top of the key, stop and pump, whoa, at nakabawi doon si number 69. Last 2 minutes and 7 seconds. Here comes Calub, stop and pump, wala, oh, rebound, makuha ng mga naka-green, steal by Kenneth, steal by Rosales, block by number 69, out of bounds. Bola na ng mga nakiteam. 1 minute and 52 seconds. Number 69. Naitawid. Pass to Paul. Binigay kay Kenneth. Pass to number 8. Jola. Fake. Pass to LA. Fake. LA. Pinagay with the wrong man. Steal by Pinpin. Pass to Rosales. 2 against 1. Rosales. Tumira. Too strong. Rebound by Rombines. Rombines using the board. Wala. Makukuha ng mga nakiteam. Here comes Jola. Jola bounce pass. 3 against 3. Pinigay kay LA from the corner. Bang! Basket para kay LA. Ayan na. Ayan na si Rosales. Rosales. Tumira using the board. Basket para kay Rosales. 54-72. Babasa 18 ang lamang ng Ducks. Number 69. Last 52 seconds. May tanga na bola. That's Reyes. Pass to Paul. 4-3. Short. Rebound. Makakuha ni Paul. Paul, umatake. Kick out. LA from the corner. In and out. Rebound. By Caleb. Steal by Jola. Uy, Cardenas with a fake. What a nice shot para kay Cardenas. Paul. Rob Bines. May tanga ng bola. Pass to Caleb. Caleb gumatake. And gets the foul by Paul Cardenas. On the free throw area, jersey number 16, Caleb. In and out. 20-point lead para sa mga naka-itim. Caleb, basket yan. For her second basket. Second shot. Last 22 seconds. Here comes LA. Pass to Reyes. Reyes to LA. Reyes, LA. LA binigay sa loob. Lozano nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Hill City. Last 11 seconds. Rosales with the ball. Pass to Rombines. 9 seconds to shoot. Binigay. Pass to Caleb. Basket para kay Caleb. Ayan na. 3, 2, 1. Uy. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score of 57-74 in favor of the Black Ducks. Alright, tayo dadako na sa ating fourth and final quarter. Makakahabol kaya rito ang Hill City or tuluyan ng madodominahan ng Black Ducks ang laban. Malalaman natin yan maya-maya lamang po. Ayan, dako tayo sa inyong mga shoutout. Shoutout kay Mark Banyes, kay Zapi Moruel, and syempre nandyan si Paul Kililan sa aking classmate. Syempre, nandyan din si Dek Alfonso. Lobot na ata ang aking electric pan dito. And syempre, nandito lang sila Idol Levy, Kapampangan, Riley Mercado.
Maya.
You know? Shout out. Hoy. Sino? Kita. Boss John. Happy Fiesta. There go. Ayan na. Fourth quarter. Let's go. Here comes Kenneth. Tobis, binigay sa loob. Tagayon, no. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Hill City. Here comes Quaresma. Binigay kay Caleb. Sesi. Here comes Atan. Umatake. Wala. Rebound by Rosales. Block from behind by Kenneth. Here comes Jola. Pass to LA. Akin na to. Para kay LA Atienza. 57-76 ang ating talan. Quaresma may tanga ng bola. Quaresma, pass to Rosales using the board and get the foul. Foul number 15. Time remaining. Bola rito ng Hill City. Guys, sa corner, jump shot, no, rebound, makakuha ng mga naka-green. Here comes Quaresma, wala, rebound by Jola. Jola gets a foul by Caleb. Atienza, pass to Jola. Bounce pass. Ooh, that's a blocking foul. Number 8. That's Flores RG. Rosales. It's a foul. Ball possession. Rosales shooting for 2. Basket. Two shots. Oh, possession. Last ball possession. Official score of 59-76. Lamang pa rin po ang mga nakitim. Quaresma, floater, wala. Rebound, makukuha rito ni Tobis. Outlet pass to LA. Atienza, easy 2 points. Ayan na. Here comes Rosales, wala, rebound, makakuha rito ni Rosales, pass to Atan, 4-3, oh! Foul number 18, LA Atienza, shooting for 2. Atan Gadjana. Basket. 78-60. Pabasa 18 ang lamang ng Black Ducks. Second shot para kay Atan. Isa pa. For 3-point play. Tignan natin kung makukompleto ni Atan ang 3. Second shot, third shot. Basket. Grabe ang pagkaka-shooting dito. Walang upas pa rin eh. Si Atan Atan Gadjana. Tobis. May tanga ng bola. Pass to Yanga. Yanga, spin move. Using the board. In and out. Rebound by Atan. Pass to Quaresma. Quaresma. Oy! It's a foul. Nagkakapisikalan na po ang laban na to. 2 shots para kay Robin Quaresma. First shot para kay Robin, wala. Syempre shoutout din dyan kay Lawrence Pingol, kay Mel, kay mate Kilil, Paul Kililan, and kay Angel and Lawrence Patis, shoutout. Siyempre, nandyan din si Coach Mark Brian Mirador. Shoutout sa inyo. Let's go. Bola rito ng mga naka-green. Atan, libre sa 3. Uy, in and out. Rebound by Tagayon. Pass to LA. LA with a Hesi. Crossover to Mira and gets the foul. Foul number 10. Shooting the line, jersey number 18, LA Atienza. No good. Second shot for LA. Basket is good. 79-69. In favor pa rin sa mga nakiteam. Atan, pass to RJ. RJ 4-3, short. Rebound. Kalub again. They get their own miss and gets the basket para sa Hill City. 64-79. Ayan na. Nagpubungguhan na ang dalawang sentro na magkabilang panig. LA with a stop and pump. Basket yan para kay LA. Here comes Atan, spin move. Uy, block by Kenneth. Here comes Kenneth, waiting for his teammate. Kenneth, pass to Paul. Paul, binigay sa gitna. Yanga, pass to LA from the corner. Uy, basket para kay LA. Ayan na, si Robin Quaresma with the Hesi. Step back to bam! 66-83 in favor pa rin sa mga nakitiyam. Here comes Kenneth. Tobis nakalusot. Tobis with the layup and gets the foul. Foul number. Number 10. They're shooting the line. Jersey number 3. Kenneth Tobis. Basket. Tama ba? Hindi ata pumasok, sorry. Doon nakita. Ayan, pasok na. 84-66 in favor pa rin sa Black Ducks. Here comes RJ. Pass to Atan. To RJ. Pass to Robin. Robin setting on the screen. Robin with the Hesi. Hesi. Back. Uy, no look pass. Number 9, 4-3. No. Rebound. Makukuha rin Tagayan. Outlet pass. Kenneth, one-on-one. Oh. And he gets the foul. Foul number 9. That is first personal foul. Penalty. Hill City under penalty situation. Basket para kay Kenneth Tobis. Time remaining 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Second shot para kay Kenneth. 2 for 2. 86-66. Balik sa 20 ang kalamangan ng mga nakiteam. Atan, pass to Robin. 4-3. No rebound. Here comes Yanga. Yanga with the ball. Pass to Kenneth. Pass to PR. Bounce pass. Kenneth with the layup. Basket is good. Ayan na si Robin. Binigay. Out of bounds. Last touch. Bola rito ng mga nakiteam. Tagayon. Pass to Cardenas. To PR. Back to Kenneth. Back to PR. PR setting on the screen. Looking for his teammate. Ayan na. Cardenas. Pass to Kenneth. 6 seconds to shoot. Kenneth with the Hesi. Kenneth umatake. At merong foul. Time remaining 5 minutes and 2 seconds. kalahati na tayo sa ating fourth quarter. Get shooting the line, jersey number 3, Kenneth Tobis. No good. Second shot for Kenneth. Kenneth, no. Rebound ng mga naka-green. Here comes Rombines. Rombines. Pass to RJ Flores. Binigay kay number 9. Catch and shoot. Basket is good. 68-88. Balik sa 20 ang alamangan ng mga naki-team. Here comes Jola. Jones. Pass to Cardenas. Top of the key. Bang! Napakalayo nun, idol. 3-point para kay Cardenas. Ayan na ang Hill City. Rombines. May tanga ng bola. Pass to Atan. From the elbow. Babawi sa 3. Short. Rebound ni Jola. Jola setting on the play. Here comes Jola. Bounce pass. Tagayon. Basket para kay Tagayon. 93-68 ang ating talaan. Rombines gets the foul. Substitution. Pinasok na si Jojo dito. Time remaining 3 minutes and 48 seconds. Here comes number 9. Pass to. Binigay sa corner. Pin 4-3. Wala. Behind the back. Number 9. No. PR, pass to Jojo. Ayan na. That's a done. In and out. First shot dito. Hindi pumasok para kay Jojo. Pero tingnan natin kung makakabawi sa pangalawang tira. Ayan na. Number 13. Using the board at basket para kay Tenorio. Jojo. How's that side? Jola. Pinasa kay Jojo again. Fake. Jojo attacking the basket. Layup. Wala. Rebound by Chedoro. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio. Running shot. Using the board. Basket yan. Para kay Tenorio. Jersey number 13. 72-93. Here comes PR. Pass to Jola. Jola binigay. Pass to Jojo. Jojo! Ayan na! Basket is good para kay Jojo. Gamboa. Ayan na, number 34 na istilan. Naka-recover using the board by Rombines. Assisted dyan para kay Pinpin. Time out dito. Black Ducks. That's Garcia. Time remaining. Time remaining 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Tingnan natin ang huddle dito ng Black Ducks. Ayan na, pinasok na rin dito si Angeles para sa mga nakikinig. Muli, shoutout po ulit kay sa ating former kagawad. Kagawad Ambo San Gregorio. Ayan, nandito rin pala si Nico Santos. Ayan, sila Dolor. Happy viewing. Sensya na ako, malabo-labo konti pag lumapit. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa dulo. Reyes, pass to Jola. Jola, last 2 minutes tayo. Pass to PR, binigay sa corner. Here comes Angeles for 3. No, rebound. Makukuha rito ng Hill City. Here comes Rombines. Rombines nagmamadali, bounce pass. Oh, what a nice steal. By Jeko, sabi ni Jeko, hindi pwede yan. Ayan na, Rombines, catch and shoot. Wala, rebound. Here comes Reyes. Pass to Jeko. Angeles, bounce pass to Garcia. Here comes Jojo. Kick out. Reyes, libre dito si Angeles. Backdoor pass to Jola. Jola to Jeko. Here comes Angeles. Setting on the screen. Stop and pump for 3. Short. Rebound. Ni Tenorio. Hawks to Chodoro. All the way. Basket is good. 95-76. Here comes Jola. Setting on the screen. Pass to PR. Binigay kay Jojo. Jojo. Kick out. Pass to PR. Pass to Reyes. Basket by jersey number 69. Ayan na, 97. Outlet pass. Oh, steal. Pass to Jola. To Reyes. Reyes to Angeles. Last 42 seconds. Pinasa kay Reyes. Reyes, reverse layup. No. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 to Pinpin. Pinpin binigay. Pass to. That's his Tenorio. Basket is good. Para kay Tenorio. Steal. Number 9, 4-3. No. Rebound. Makukuha ni Jola. Outlet pass. Here comes Reyes. Uy. Nabitawan ang bola doon. Last 18 seconds. 18 seconds pa. Tenorio. Pass to number 9 from the elbow 3. No. Last 10 seconds. Jojo Garcia spin. Uy, fake up and under. Uy, missed the shot. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score 97-78. And shoutout po kala Kuya Sir Ref. Hello, Chef. Shoutout. Shoutout. Boss Dano. Shoutout.
Ay, tapos sa Malos.
Ikaw sir, baka may shoutout ka.
Shoutout sa Taguig Referee. Andito kami ngayon sa San Juan.
Ayan, shoutout din kay siyempre kay Archie Angel. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, sir. Alright, final score 78-97. And our best player of the game once again, with the jersey number 18, LA Atienza. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood and God bless everyone. Please don't forget to like and share and follow me on Facebook. Maraming salamat po mga idol. Hanggang sa muli at pupunta muna tayo at sana manalo sa raffle ni Mayor. Maraming salamat po. At dito na po ako mag-akat. Hanggang sa muli.